creamy pistachio ice cream bars made with Greek yogurt instead of heavy cream. I'm starting with roasted unsalted pistachios and removing the shells. You can use pre-shelled pistachios here to save some time. Just make sure they are unsalted because we want the pistachios flavor to shine. Now I am adding Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt keeps the ice cream creamy without heavy cream, and it also adds protein. Roasted pistachios. I'm using honey instead of granulated sugar, so there is no refined sugar added to the ice cream base. Cardamom is completely optional. I love it for a warm Indian dessert flavor, but you can leave it out for pure pistachio flavor. Now blend everything until completely smooth and creamy. The Greek yogurt gives this a lovely creamy texture, while the blended pistachios bring all the rich pistachio flavor. Now pour the mixture into your mold. I'm using a silicone ice cream bar mold, but any popsicle or ice cream mold works. Add the sticks and freeze until completely firm. I have some mixture left, so I'm using a regular popsicle mold for that too. No special tools needed. For the coating, I'm using 85% dark chocolate. You can also use 50% dark, milk chocolate or white chocolate depending on your taste. Melt the chocolate in short bursts, stirring between each one until smooth. Once it's melted, set it aside. Now I'm roughly chopping roasted pistachios. They add a great flavor and a lovely crunch. I'm using roasted pistachios because roasting brings out a deeper, richer, nutty flavor. Once the bars are completely frozen, gently remove them from the molds. If it feels soft, put it back in the freezer. They need to be really cold before dipping, so the melted chocolate sets quickly and gives you that crispy shell. Now dip each frozen bar into the melted chocolate and let the excess drip off. Immediately sprinkle on the chopped pistachios while the chocolate is still wet, so they stick to the shell. The frozen bar helps the chocolate set almost instantly. Repeat with the remaining bars, and if the chocolate gets thick, warm it briefly and stir. And look at that beautiful texture. Creamy pistachio ice cream, a crisp chocolate shell, and roasted pistachios for extra crunch. It's an easy homemade pistachio ice cream bar and a lighter treat. If you love easy, healthier desserts, then like, share, and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy and delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.